In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Hotspot Shield VPN app from Google Play Store. If you are experiencing any challenge while trying to install this app, then let me show you how you can fix this once and for all. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now in the first method, we need to go ahead and make sure you are downloading from Play Store. So go ahead and tap on Play Store, and before you can install or download your app, go ahead and log in with your Gmail and then search for your app here using the search bar, or if you can see it, you should see a search icon down below. However, if you are trying to install while logged in but you are unable, then go ahead and just click on your profile icon up here, and this will take you to the settings. At this point, go to settings down below, and this will give you various settings option. We are interested in network preferences. Go ahead and tap on this, and under this, look for app download preference. Now here you can see quite a number of options. Look for this option called over any network. If you select this, this will ensure that you are able to download and install apps over any network that you are connected to. Once you have selected this, go ahead and now tap on OK to save the changes, and this time around, go ahead and install your app, and this should now work. Now, in most cases, you should be able to have the issue sorted at this point. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then the problem might be with Play Store app itself. For this, go to your Play Store and access its app info page. To do that, long press on your app or go to settings and look for the app info. But for the shortcut, just long press on your app, then tap on app info. If you can't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear. Tap on it to access the app info, or you should see your app name. If you tap on that, now you'll be taken to Play Store app information page. At this point, we want to go ahead and troubleshoot by clearing the Play Store app data, and you can do so using the option down here. So if I go to storage, you should be able to see a breakdown of data stored and used by this Play Store. Of importance is this cache data. So this cache data, these are just small files that Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience. However, when these cache files accumulate, they might cause Play Store to malfunction. And to fix this, you need to go ahead and clear the cache data by tapping on clear data down below and choose the last option, which is clear cache. And finally, I'll confirm by tapping on OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been cleared. At this point, go ahead, restart your smartphone and open your Play Store fresh. Now search for Hotspot Shield VPN. You can see it is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it and then try to install it to see if the problem has been fixed. Now at this point, you should be able to install your app without any issue. So by following these steps, you should be able now to install Hotspot Shield VPN proxy app from your Google Play Store without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.